Chakazani ndawo. This is ngonyama'yamanzi. So today I'm gonna be talking about birds making sound around your house or birds making noise around your house. So I did a video explaining why such scenes occurs in like our environment, but it seemed like abantu abaningi bavele badideka more instead of getting help. So lana ngenza video to explain everything. Wonke umuntu confused ngezinto izobasiza ukuthi ba understand what I was trying to explain. So lana ngithathe ama comments wabantu that seem to be like asked frequently, like ama FAQs. So I'm going to be answering that, explaining it and giving like solutions for it. Okay, the first question is if they have a nest around your house or environment. Okay, so birds, if they like a nest around your house, it means that your ancestors are, your ancestors are comfortable in the environment they're in, like comfortable being in your like presence or in your house. And then if they are knocking or entering your house, first, when they are knocking, you must know that they are knocking at what time. At what specific time are they knocking? You must trace why are they knocking at this time. And if like it keeps on happening on one time, then it means that you should be doing something at that time, or that you are not doing. And then mazingena ngaphakathi endlini, it means that, okay, mazingena phakathi endlini, it means that they're there to visit you. Like mabengena inside the house, they're there to visit you, like it's just a friendly visit. And then and yeah, I always have birds when I'm praying or done praying, especially around midnight. Okay, so maungatandaza and then you hear birds, it means that your ancestors are actually communicating with you, and they are basically telling you that balana nawe, they are here with you and they will never abandon you. And then birds fighting around your house. Remember, I said that birds symbolizes amadlozi. They explain, bamela amadlozi ukuthi avela kuphi kwaye ayini. So when birds are fighting in your yard or in front of you, and you're always seeing birds that are fighting, then it means that your ancestors are also fighting. So it's their way trying to show you that they don't have peace amongst themselves. Okay, birds that come around 6 a.m. in the morning, and okay, no, 80 birds that come around 6 p.m. in the evening and leave around 6 a.m. almost every day. So when birds come evening and leave in the morning, they also show themselves that they are there to protect you throughout the night, and they are leaving you there because maybe you are going to work and you won't be at home. You see, so they are trying to show you that they are always there for you, but they are trying to protect you mostly at times that they think that, like in Memoria, they attack you mostly. Okay, how to get rid of witchcraft birds. Okay, to get rid of witchcraft birds, kumele ukuthi uqinise ijarata, uchele gofuka jarata. Okay, how to differentiate between witchcraft birds and angelic birds. Okay, so to differentiate, I would just tell you this. When are things that are right, you will feel them and you will know that this one is the right thing. So birds that are witchcraft or that are sent to do certain things to you, you will notice and you will know and you will feel it. Your spirit will not allow it, you know. So you can differentiate between them, because you will notice that around the time when the witchcraft bird is there, you will just feel restless and you will feel something. And then when the angelic birds are there, you feel free and you will feel like you need to do something that's related to praying or related to amadlozi work. And then you know, like there's literally plenty of like symptoms or ways of these things showing themselves to us. Everywhere I go, there is birds. Okay, I would say everywhere you go there's birds. Let's also not forget that lo mhlaba siphila kuwo, it's like natural, like a nature world, natural world, nature world. Sorry. So we do have birds, and birds are just like natural features of the world. So sometimes it's just like the world and it's nature. That's it, nothing more. Okay. So Lena, it tattoo, like they've written it in like it's a Xhosa. So it xa ingena endlini ishiya like amasimba wayo or amagaga. Which means when a bird enters your house and leave their things in there, like their their, oh, I don't want to say um their nonsense in the house. Which means, okay, amadlozi wakho akuziseli inhlanhla. Because remember, like birds nonsense is like lux. It symbolizes inhlanhla. So when they come inside your house and leave amakakawa inside the house, it means that they symbolizes inhlanhla. Bakuzisele inhlanhla. Okay. When you have owls around your house, so I would say that owls is not a good thing. They use owls like for literally like majority of them for izinto ezirongo baloya ngazo. So when you have those things around your house, try as much as possible to like have something that's going to protect you, because in most cases you must take note when the owl is there, what's happening around you house and what's happening in your surroundings. Thokozani, ndawo ndawo.